Every kilometer of road you see, every highway expansion, every smart city project, every industrial corridor is creating one silent business opportunity worth millions. And almost nobody is talking about it. While startups are fighting in overcrowded online businesses, smart entrepreneurs are entering industrial sectors where demand is exploding and competition is still limited. One such opportunity is Bitumen Emulsion Manufacturing. This is not a trendy business. This is an infrastructure business. And infrastructure businesses create long-term wealth because when governments spend billions on roads, highways, airports, and rural connectivity, or someone has to supply the materials. And that supplier could be you. So, what exactly is bitumen emulsion? In simple words, bitumen emulsion is a mixture used mainly in road construction and maintenance. It is widely used for highway surfacing, pothole repair, waterproofing, rural road projects, airport runways, and infrastructure development. Unlike traditional hot bitumen, bitumen emulsion is safer, energy efficient, and environmentally better. That is exactly why demand is growing rapidly across India and globally. Now look at the bigger picture. India is investing massively in infrastructure. Government projects like Bharatmala, Smart Cities Mission, PM Gram Sadak Yojana, expressways, industrial corridors, and urban development are driving huge consumption of road construction materials. India already has one of the world's largest road networks, and thousands of kilometers of new roads are being built every year. Globally, the bitumen emulsion market is witnessing strong growth due to increasing infrastructure spending and rapid urbanization. The market is expected to grow steadily over the coming years as developing countries aggressively invest in highways, logistics networks, and transportation systems. And here's the important part. Roads are not optional. Infrastructure demand never completely stops, which means this industry has recurring long-term demand. That is why bitumen emulsion manufacturing is considered a highly scalable B2B industrial opportunity. You are not selling to random retail customers. You are supplying to contractors, construction companies, government projects, municipal corporations, or road developers, and infrastructure firms. One large contract can generate massive recurring business. And once clients trust your product quality and supply consistency, repeat orders become common. That's how industrial businesses scale. Now let's talk about profitability. This industry works on bulk demand. As infrastructure projects increase, consumption increases automatically. The demand comes from highways, airport expansion, urban roads, village connectivity projects, industrial zones, real estate infrastructure, and maintenance work. Even existing roads require continuous repair and resurfacing. That means repeat consumption never truly ends. This is not a seasonal trend. This is a long-term industrial demand cycle. And the biggest advantage, most people are still unaware of this sector. Why everyone is chasing food startups and e-commerce brands, industrial manufacturing sectors like bitumen emulsion still have huge untapped potential. Now, obviously, there are already major players in the market. Companies like Indian Oil Corporation, BPCL, Hindustan Petroleum, and several infrastructure chemical manufacturers are active in this sector. But demand is so massive that the market still has room for regional manufacturers and MSMEs. In fact, many contractors prefer local suppliers because transportation costs are high and fast delivery matters. That creates opportunities for small and medium manufacturers. Now the question is, why should startups enter this industry right now? Simple, because infrastructure spending is rising aggressively. Governments worldwide are investing heavily in roads and transportation networks to support economic growth. India alone is allocating enormous budgets for highways, logistics parks, industrial development, and urban infrastructure. And whenever infrastructure spending rises, suppliers make money. This industry also offers scalability. You can begin regionally and expand supply networks gradually. As your client base grows, production capacity can increase. And unlike trend-based businesses, infrastructure industries usually survive for decades. That is how real industrial wealth is created. Now let's discuss government support. Entrepreneurs entering manufacturing can benefit from MSME registration benefits, Mudra loans, PMEGP schemes, startup support initiatives, machinery financing, state industrial subsidies, and tax-related incentives depending on the location and project scale. Many state governments actively encourage manufacturing investments because industrial development creates jobs and strengthens infrastructure growth. Indirectly, every new highway project also supports businesses like bitumen emulsion manufacturing. And if you're serious about entering this industry, this is where NPCS can help. NPCS official website provides complete project guidance for entrepreneurs looking to start manufacturing businesses. NPCS helps helps with detailed project reports, market research, machinery selection, technical consulting, business planning, cost estimation, financial analysis, plant setup guidance. For first-time entrepreneurs, this support can reduce mistakes, improve planning, and accelerate execution. Because industrial businesses are not built on guesswork. They are built on planning, supply chains, and execution. And right now, infrastructure is one of the biggest long-term wealth creation sectors in the world. The people supplying tomorrow's roads, highways, industrial zones, and smart cities will build massive businesses over the next decade. So the real question is not whether this industry has demand. The real question is, will you enter before the competition becomes crowded? Because hidden industrial opportunities never stay hidden forever.